going on, everybody? Today is a really special day for Project Blindside. This is the culmination of all these weeks, all the donations from all of our angels, all of our everything, all of the streams and everything. Today we finally got the final piece. We're going to be putting the PC together. By the time you see this video, I will have already delivered the PC to Diamonds in person. And that feels so good to be able to say. I know that nobody's watching it right now, but when you watch this, you'll have already seen the release. This is my wife and I are doing one big final awesome edited video, glam shots, all this stuff. But let's get to work on putting these dice into the final piece of the very first, and definitely not the last Project Blindside build.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I have one last message for Diamonds. Diamonds, I want you to know from the bottom of my heart, and this is all entirely sincere, this PC wasn't built because of Project Blindside. Project Blindside was built because of you. You inspired me to start this. It wasn't that I wanted to just build a PC and give it to somebody. It was I wanted to build a PC for you, and you inspired me to help look around and maybe find other people that are like you. You have been such a huge pillar in the community. You are genuinely a centerpiece in a community that is ever growing, ever getting larger, and it's entirely because of you. From the bottom of my heart, I wanted to say thank you. I hope that this is a good way to do it. I hope that this computer serves you for years to come and helps improve your stream quality, and it helps you improve our community. It's not just you, but this computer is from everybody, and because it's going to you, it's for everybody. So thank you so much. Remember that Project Blindside was built because of you.